Hello sa inyo guys, so magandang araw sa inyo and we'll talk about this top 5 features of ChatGPT which you don't know about, and this will be the preparation to be amazed in the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT that you likely never explored, or upcoming deep dive will reveal game-changing features that will elevate your experience to the new heights. From groundbreaking file analysis to adaptive intelligence, get ready to unlock the true power of this revolutionary tool. Don't miss out this mind-blowing upload coming soon on our channel. So let's talk about the file and media uploads. Analysis mode activated. So first, the upload made easy. ChatGPT now supports file upload, including PDFs, images, and spreadsheets, making it versatile assistant for any task. Second, instant analysis, where it is summarizing a lengthy report or extracting data from your notes. This AI works fast with impressive accuracy for everyone, students, professionals, and curious minds alike can harness this feature for research, learning, and productivity boosts. Then for our third, we have the that little search button, more than just a looker. Real-time web results, fetch and fresh and relevant information instantly from the web with verified sources. Insightful reasoning, ChatGPT explains where results matter, enhancing your understanding and trust. Adaptive intelligence, dynamic and thoughtful responses that evolve with your queries for smart interactions. The hidden treasure were library inside the hamburger menu. Organize your work, store and categories of favorite chats and documents to keep creative chaos at bay. Project management with EDC. Name and separate projects, making it seamless to switch between tasks without losing context. ChatGPT's power in file conversion and generation that whole drama. Generate from scratch, create Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF files directly through ChatGPT generated output. Second, custom complexity, from simple templates to detailed reports with charts, sorting, and citations tailor output to your needs. Third, efficient workflow. Save time by letting ChatGPT handle file creation and formatting, freeing you to focus on strategy. The secret sauce, what makes GPT very smart. First, context awareness incorporates prior chats and uploaded files for personalized and precise responses. Ideal for long-term projects, maintain continuity over time, improving collaboration and productivity. Third and final, we have the beyond productivity, offers support in emotional and complex scenarios, blurring AI user boundaries. And this is the deep dive tricks, tips, and journal moments. So we have the live examples in the next page. We have first this, and then this is the new feature, the spot on search and result. And then second, we have this one, the library. Yeah, and that's all for now, and I hope you learn more about our video today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.